This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Kyocera printer to your computer wirelessly. First, make sure your Kyocera printer is fully powered on and awake. It is crucial that both your printer and computer are connected to the exact same wireless network for seamless communication. Having your printer's specific model number handy will make the next steps much quicker. Next, we need to find your printer's unique IP address. Go to the printer's control panel and use the arrow keys to navigate the menu. Look for a section often called Network Settings or System Information. Within that, you should find the IP address, usually presented as 4 groups of numbers, such as 192.168.0.150. Jot this down, as you will need it shortly. Now let's add the printer to your computer. On a Windows machine, navigate to Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, and finally, Printers and Scanners. For a Mac, open System Settings and then click Printers and Scanners. Select Add Printer and choose the option to add by IP address, typing in the numbers you just wrote down. This tells your computer where to find the printer on the network. For optimal performance, you will need the correct Kyocera printer drivers. Head to the official Kyocera website and find their Support or Downloads section. Type in your exact printer model number to ensure you download the precise driver for your computer's operating system. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation. This step is vital for full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.